Hi, I'm Gary Kim, the editor of Mobile Marketing and Technology, and I'm here today with Tony Ruggieri of Velstar. And I will say, because I've known Tony for years, he's one of the best salespeople I've ever met, and also one of the best guys in terms of understanding how a channel partner works in the business ecosystem. We're here today at the Mobile Payments Conference, which I know is not historically your core business.
Right.
I mean, historically, what have you done, really?
Well, our core business is really, at the end of the day, mobilizing resources for our client base in your traditional voice and data communications. And when I say that, it could be anything from POTS lines all the way up to complex global MPLS networks. And what we found in attending events like this is adding to the repository of those resources. And those resources are onboarding new logos. And those new logos can be companies that have point of sale equipment that may be of value to our enterprise customers. They may be software programs that may be valuable to our wholesale carriers that are now looking to take parts of their mobile business because a lot of the carriers now are actually investing heavily in the mobile business and being able to show them a new concept in which to create a new revenue stream, to touch more consumers that they hadn't touched previously. So we feel that through our advocacy position, we're able to put those resources basically in a community and provide that access to both wholesale communication carriers, but also to enterprise businesses, not only here in the U.S. but also globally. As the world gets smaller and communications plays an integral role in making the world a much smaller place in which to transact business, having those resources is critically important. And so what we bring to the table is the ability to vet out the best of breed, and not only from a logo standpoint and brand, but also from a product set, and being able to find the right products at the right price, and being able to provide multiple options to the wholesale communication carriers that we work with, but also the enterprise business. So that way, everyone's basically getting a fair view of what's available to them without having to invest the time and the effort to figure out what makes most sense for their business.
In terms of core competencies and value, your firm really does better than most other firms I've ever encountered, putting enterprise guys who buy things together with suppliers who have best-of-breed solutions. And in some sense, Velstar might be a good asset for anybody who wants to sell products that are aimed at enterprise buyers, whatever those products happen to be, really. Because you've done this with insurance, for example.
Sure, we've done that. We've also done it with document management firms. We've done it with technology firms. And when I speak about technology, a lot of people now are looking at tablets and smartphones and being able to take that from a consumer perspective, but now bring it into a business perspective. And a lot of them don't understand how to make that leap. So you look at cloud services out there, and that's sort of the new buzzword of what the cloud means. But at the end of the day, if you have all these devices that sit